Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you what Binance Exchange is all about. Do you know that every human being that wants to make money online must be involved with Binance Exchange? Please, if at the end of this video you find it helpful to you in any way, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel faster. Hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new videos. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. What is Binance Exchange? Binance Exchange is the leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong, China. It features a strong focus on altcoin trading. Altcoin means alternative currency trading. I will talk more on alternative currency in a short time. Binance offers crypto to crypto trading in more than 600 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens. More than 600 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Binance Coin, and so on. I mentioned cryptocurrency. For beginners that may not know what cryptocurrency is. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography. The word cryptography and currency was put together to form the word cryptocurrency. Digital currency is a virtual currency. You cannot hold it. You can only have it in your wallet. You can't have a counterfeit of digital currency or cryptocurrency. You cannot double spend a cryptocurrency. Once you have spent it once and it has been recorded in the blockchain, you have spent it. Now, a defining feature of cryptocurrency is that they are generally not issued by any central authority. They are not issued by any government. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. What is blockchain? Blockchain is just a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate or combination of network of computers around the world. A ledger that is distributed around the world in computers around the world, network together. That's why they said blockchain is just, in a layman time, it's just a distributed ledger, a ledger that is distributed to different computers that form a network around the world. So that is what blockchain is all about. Now, what is altcoin? Altcoin are alternative currency that were launched after Bitcoin success. They project themselves as a better replacement for Bitcoin. But because of Bitcoin emergence as the first peer-to-peer digital currency, it is this Bitcoin that paved way for all these altcoins to follow. Most altcoins are trying to target any passive drawback, any drawback that Bitcoin has, and they will come up now with a competitive advantage in a new version of their own coin. That is what they are doing. So the term altcoin is a combination of two words. The alt means alternative and coin means currency. So when we say altcoin, we are referring to alternative currency to Bitcoin. So that is what altcoin means. Now, Binance is the leading cryptocurrency exchange by volume in the world, and its user they are spread across over 180 countries. Yes, Binance user are spread across over 180 countries. Binance have users. The user of Binance platform, they are spread across 80 platforms. That is to tell you how big the exchange is. It has several features which are perfect for beginners. If you're a beginner, you can use Binance. If you're an intermediate trader, you can use Binance. If you're an advanced trader, you can use Binance because Binance is easy to use. The platform is a crypto to crypto exchange one. So that means it can only be used to trade cryptocurrency and virtual tokens. Binance is an online exchange where users can trade currencies. It supports over 600 traded currency. Binance provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their electronic fund, their digital fund, their virtual fund, that is their cryptocurrency. Binance provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their cryptocurrency. The exchange has a supporting service for users that are holding cryptocurrency to earn interest, to transact using cryptocurrency that they have. They also offer programs and products for miners, cryptocurrency miners. They offer programs that help traders to make investment decisions. Cryptocurrency Binance Exchange has its own coin, which we call Binance Coin. Some will call it BNB. It's one of the tokens that is traded on Binance Exchange. That is how far we'll go on today's video about Binance Exchange. If this video is helpful to you, and if you are able to gain one or two things from this video, please subscribe to the channel and share the video, share it with your friend, like the video and comment on the video. If you have any question, you can put it on the comment section. I will reply and get the answer across. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.